Ever wondered how to create a successful digital marketing plan? We start with understanding what digital marketing is. It's a powerful tool that leverages digital channels like websites, social media, email, and search engines to promote your products or services. This broad spectrum approach allows you to reach your customers where they are, delivering the right message at the right time. It's about connecting, engaging, and building relationships. With a clear understanding of digital marketing, we can move on to setting clear goals. With the foundation set, it's time to set clear and measurable objectives. Consider what you hope to achieve. Are you aiming to boost brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or perhaps increase sales? Once goals are set, it's time to understand who you're talking to, your audience. Knowing your audience is critically important. It's all about identifying your ideal customers. What are their demographics? What are their interests? What are their pain points? By understanding these factors, you can tailor your marketing efforts for maximum resonance. Now that you know who you're targeting, let's focus on where to reach them. Not all digital channels are created equal. Each holds unique potential, tailored to diverse goals and target audiences. Whether it's social media, content marketing, email, SEO, or paid advertising, choosing the right channels is crucial. With the right channels selected, it's time to create engaging content. Content is king in the digital world. It's more than just a catchy phrase, it's a mantra for success. Crafting compelling content is an art form. Your content should not only captivate your audience, but also offer value. It should educate, entertain, or solve a problem. Whether it's a blog post, a social media update, or a video, make sure it oozes quality. Remember, it's not about the quantity, but the quality that truly engages and resonates with your audience. Now that you've created engaging content, it's time to measure and analyze the results. To ensure your efforts are paying off, it's crucial to measure your results. Let's dive into the world of analytics. Tools like Google Analytics provide a wealth of data about your website traffic, conversions, and engagement. Similarly, social media platforms offer insights to understand how your content is performing. By tracking these metrics, you can see what's working and what's not. Remember, data is your compass in the digital landscape. With the results at hand, we adjust and iterate for continuous improvement. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and so should your strategy. It's vital to adapt and iterate your plan based on data and feedback. Don't be afraid to change course if the results demand it. Continuous improvement is the key to long-term success in the digital marketing world. Let's recap what we've learned. Grasp the essence of digital marketing, set crystal clear goals, pinpoint your ideal audience, choose the most fitting channels, craft captivating content, measure your results meticulously, and be ready to tweak your strategy. Remember these key points and you're on your way to creating a successful digital marketing plan.